You ever feel like you're doing everything right and your body just isn't getting the memo? Like you're eating cleaner, maybe even cutting carbs, walking more, trying to stay consistent, and yet the scale just laughs at you? It's frustrating to say the least. But here's the thing, if your body's not responding, it might not be about effort. It might be about something deeper, like insulin resistance. So basically, insulin is this hormone that helps move sugar out of your blood and into your cells. Totally normal. But when you're insulin resistant, your body kind of stops listening to insulin. So instead of using sugar for energy, it just stores it as fat, especially around your belly. And what's wild is that insulin resistance can sneak up on you. You don't need to be diabetic or anything. Sometimes it just builds slowly after years of processed foods, stress, poor sleep, and all the usual suspects. So yeah, even if you're doing the right things now, your body might still be stuck in fat storage mode from years of mixed signals. But okay, here's the good news. You can start reversing this. One thing that really helps, eating your carbs last in your meals. Like, start with protein and veggies, then carbs at the end. That simple switch can seriously reduce blood sugar spikes. Also, try walking for 10 minutes after meals. Doesn't have to be intense. Just a casual stroll can lower post-meal glucose and improve insulin sensitivity. And third, sleep. Seriously. Getting solid sleep helps your body reset hormones and respond better to food the next day. It's underrated but huge. Now, those are all free, and honestly, if you stick with them, you will start seeing a difference. But some people are also trying other tools to speed things up, especially if their metabolism's been stuck for years. You don't need anything fancy, but if you're curious, I'll drop something in the description. It's helped some people get over that stubborn plateau. Maybe it'll help you too. Or maybe not. But hey, it's worth a look.